Today in California, San Francisco, it is raining, so we can't go out and do a video. So we'll do one on the inside today. So according to the UN, extreme weather events are the norm for now. Will they stay the norm for the rest of our lives? Probably. The actual science on how far up we've gone in temperature around the world, according to the science, a 20-year temperature is on course to exceed 1.2 C above pre-industrial levels for the first time ever. Now, pre-industrial levels, what are they? That always gets into people's craw. Where is it? It matters because then you know what the true meaning of 1.2 C is. It depends on how far back you go. That's only going back 20 years. So think if you went back 100 years, what the true pre-industrial levels would be. Probably 1.5, 1.6. Some say up to 2 point something already. I don't see the science on it. I'm following the science. So for the first time on record, it has rained instead of snowed on top of the peak of Greenland's ice sheet. It's the first time that's happened on record. In a village in British Columbia, Canada, they saw their highest temperature ever, 50 C. That's amazing. That is really high. And let's talk about temperature rise in Death Valley, California. 54.4 degrees C. That's an all-time record in Death Valley, where we can actually, in modern times, check it through modern science. And around the world, in China, they had a month's worth of rain in just 4 hours. And what about in the EU? They saw severe flooding leading to 24 casualties and $1 billion in losses. Let's go over and look at the drought monitor here in the US. As you can see, we're at the worst it's ever been. That's also a record. Now let's go up and look in Canada's drought monitor. It's also really bad. And there are also droughts going on in Africa. Though Africa is seeing a lot of rain in places they didn't for a while, but they're still suffering through many, many droughts in Africa. So what are we going to do about all this bad weather, flooding, and everything? Can we do anything? Of course we can. Drive less. Live closer to where you work. How big is your property footprint? How much native vegetation do you have on your land if you own land? Even renting it, you can plant a native tree here and there. And as we talked about on yesterday's video, we talked about overpopulation and how that's contributing to whether we survive the next 10 years or not here on the planet Earth. I definitely do appreciate all your comments, your ups, your downs, your new subscribers. And until next time.